Trash can be a problem in Hampton Roads at the beaches. In our first scene, we have 4 trash cans lining the beach of Fort Monroe, which opens up into the Atlantic Ocean. Waves, tides, and hurricanes can bring in lots of things, both natural and man made. Our area is just a small part of the bigger picture, but we're a pretty good example of people affect beaches everywhere with litter. Wildlife, like bald eagles, have been endangered in the past, and trash has been a big part of that. But they are now coming back because of environmental awareness. Jetties and big blocks of concrete protect civilization on the ocean front from the shifting sands of the Atlantic Ocean. This is a good natural way of protecting the coastline and is okay for nature and people. One way to strengthen the coastline is to plant trees and bushes that hold the sand in place. This is something good that people do too. High tide and low tide brings in both man-made trash and natural stuff that comes from the ocean. They can make a really weird looking scene. Here we have a natural and a man-made green, and they look so different. This trash tells a story that someone who used a product that hurt himself was too lazy to even throw it into the trash can, and now it's hurting other living things. This one is especially bad. A plastic six-pack holder next to a feather. Guess which one is more detrimental to the big picture? Natural refuge isn't really garbage. It breaks down eventually and gives nutrients back into the ocean. Do you suppose someone could use some of this stuff for scientific purposes? This is a sad scene. Everything tangled in this chicken wire can kill so many things in the ocean. The footprint shows someone just walked on by when they could have picked it up and thrown it away. Someone's kid could get hurt on this too. This is a unique scene you'll probably not see anywhere else in the world. A fisherman setting nets or crab pots with a flock of seagulls trailing behind him, hoping to get some scraps while a large Navy ship in the background goes out to sea. A crab that lost a claw in the struggle to survive in the ocean. Blue crabs are a big commodity in Hampton Roads, and the environment should be protected to sustain them. This is a sign of the time when oysters were a much bigger industry in Virginia Beach. There used to be much larger oyster harbors, and there were so many excess shells they were put into the jetty concrete to strengthen it. These days, oyster habitat is being rebuilt. If you can take care of the environment, it will take care of us, and everyone, including the wildlife, will be winners.